Here is one of the devotee experience about how she got a job with Shirdi Sai Baba blessing. It was in year 2010. I was in dire need of a job. Had two daughters at home, 3.5 and 1.5 year old. A husband who was at home and was not able to a job despite trying everywhere. He has turned alcoholic and we had debt too. I had appeared for an interview for a job at a school and was waiting to hear from them. I desperately needed the job as the money was required to feed my young kids. I prayed to Baba and said that by 23rd, please give me the news as I was tired of waiting by then. Nothing happened. 23rd happened to be a holiday and so I lost all the hope. I went on with my daily work and was putting my kids to bed. And around 10 o'clock, I got the call. It was from the receptionist from the school. She gave me the news that I had got the job and I was to report the next morning for the formalities. I just could not believe it as I was wondering how she had called up on a holiday. She clarified that she had forgotten about calling me. Further, she requested to join the next day positively as her job would be in trouble. I was stupefied by the fact that Baba had kept his promise. Om Sai Ram. I talk to him like a friend and he gracefully gives. So, for those of my sisters and brothers who are in trouble, just one advice pray to Baba and tell him what is ailing you and he takes care of you. Every which way. Don't despair. Baba is everything and everywhere. That's all devotees about how she got a job with Baba blessing and his kripa. Final words, hold on to Baba feet with faith and think of him every minute. Chant his name, that's it. He will take care of everything. Om Shri Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai.